Hello everyone, welcome to the free Flowing Rivers Analysis Toolbox tutorial. This is the first video in a series of videos guiding you through using the tool. In this video, I will describe how to install the free Flowing Rivers Analysis Toolbox. This video covers unzipping the tool and how to access the tool in ArcMap. So let's begin. First, we'll need to have the compressed zip folder on our computer. We're going to start by unzipping the folder. So first we'll start by left-clicking on it, followed by right-clicking and selecting Extract All. This will extract the contents of the compressed folder to our directory on our computer. So this is by default the directory it's in. If you'd like to specify a different directory, feel free to do so. But I'm happy with this directory, so I'm just going to select Extract. Once it's done processing, we'll then have access to the file folder. We can double click on it to see the contents contained in the folder. The contents of the zip file will be explained in a subsequent video. But for right now, I'll just show you how to access the tool in ArcMap. And so to do so, we can double click on the input data to open this ArcMap document. So once that opens, we can now begin to access the tool in ArcMap. And so the easiest way to access the tool is by going to the catalog. And in the home directory here, we have access to the FFR toolbox, and we have the tool contained within it. If we double click on it, we'll have access to the tool. This happens only if the input data is in the same directory as the toolbox itself. If you are using a different ArcMap document, you can access the tool by establishing a folder connection to a folder that contains the toolbox, or you can add it to your Arc Toolbox menu. So you can access the Arc Toolbox menu by selecting this button here, which will open the Arc Toolbox menu. And so here, if you're using the input data, the Free Flowing Rivers Analysis Toolbox should already be included in your Arc Toolbox menu. If you're using a different ArcMap document and the Free Flowing Rivers Analysis Toolbox is not included, I'll show you how you can add it now. So first I'll just begin by removing that one so we have it missing from our toolbox. And so if we right-click anywhere within the Arc Toolbox window, we can select Add Toolbox. And then we can navigate to where the toolbox has been extracted on our machine. So either through a folder connection that you've established or the home directory if it's in the same folder. And so we can select the FFRA version 1.pyt file, that's the toolbox file, and select Open. And now we can see it added to our toolbox menu. We can expand it here and double click on the tool contained within it to access the tool. So that covers how to extract the zip folder and access the tool in ArcMap. In our next video, we'll look at some of the input data we'll be using throughout this tutorial.